Hello everyone, welcome to Junotech. Today we're going to unbox iPhone SE 2020, the most affordable device that packs A13 processor, starting at the price of $399 at Apple Store and $449 if you want 128 gigabytes like me. But Walmart has a better deal if you have AT&T or Verizon and eligible for an upgrade. You could get it for $199 for 64 gigs and $249 for 128 gigs. So with the Verizon, your 64 gig is $829, 128 gig is $1038, and 256 gigs will cost $1454 for 2 years with Verizon. Now with Verizon you're paying for 2 years, but with AT&T you're paying for 2.5 years. So monthly bill amount is a little bit lower, but you pay the same amount at the end, but you're eligible for upgrade after 2.5 years. Now let's unbox the Apple iPhone SE 2020. Notice how one pull opens up the plastic packaging. Apple knows how to satisfy those of us who enjoy unboxing experience. So I'm gonna go and set that up, but this is an unboxing video, so we're gonna go back to the box. And of course, there's a usual wall adapter for iPhone. For those of us who care about the numbers, here you are. And in plain English, it's called slow charger. And it comes with the ear pods with lightning jack, but there's no lightning to 3.5 millimeter adapter. And then here's the lightning cable, the usual stuff. And I took some pictures to show you the size difference when it compares to my iPhone 10. Notice how the Apple logo is moved to the center of the device. And iPhone 10 is a little bit taller and tad bit wider, but thickness is about the same. And yes, they both have camera hump. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later with another device. Thank you.